Now, any startup, founder, new product developer, product manager, when you're starting a project, you're going to need developers and web designers or graphic designers, probably more graphic designers. So if you're just building a basic website, you might go to a web development agency who has the ability to design and build your website. But when you're building an app, you'll need designers and developers to come together to make your product. Now, some large agencies have the ability to in-house designers, and that we don't have designers in-house, but we have great teams that we work with, and we bring them in on every project whenever we need to. And we work with your own designers when we need to. So what you need to keep in mind is you need to bring the designers and developers together early in the project so that they can communicate. What sometimes happens if you don't bring them in early, your designers will design some awesome looking UI. They will have some idea of the animations and transitions in their head that they haven't drawn up because it's a static thing that they're providing you. The developers will then get those, implement them as best as they can to match pixel perfect designs. And then the designer will be like, where's that hover button? Where's the animation? Where's the thing that drop downs from here to here? Why isn't it fading in and out? Well, that stuff, if it wasn't made in sort of like a prototype or a video to show you, it's not clear in the design. And then some of the stuff that the designers can mock up as a user experience thing to make it easier for users to use your app, once that gets to a designer, that could introduce another month of work to make that thing happen. So it's best to get them together early in the process so that the designer can explain what they're thinking, what they want to do, what they want to try and do, because it could be something new, with the developer, so then he can understand what has to happen and try and figure out how to make it happen. Because just because a designer can think it doesn't mean it can get done. So it's important to get them in early to make communication clear and get everyone on the same page so that one doesn't start generating extra work for the other or for your project overall. There might be a simpler way to do something or an existing package which does something similar and that designer could be happy with rather than having to rebuild it from scratch. So the tip is get your designers and developers in early, make them work together. Don't treat them as separate entities when they're working because they're both working for the same product. One is how it looks and how it feels, and the other one is how it all works and gels together. So get them in early. Now, share this video with any startups, any founders, or any product developers in any corporates that are going through this process or are about to start and you've heard any complaints from them. This might actually help them get the ball rolling and make their product better in the long run. And I'm sure this will help someone out there. And don't forget to like and comment below.